What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today guys, we got a few things coming along to my Stang and also to my sister's Stang. I guess you can say some mods. This wing is gone already. We're gonna swap it out and we are gonna be putting in the new mirror covers. Well, they're not new, we just got them painted. Let me show you guys the end result. Look at these babies right here. Man, my car smells like paint. Freshly painted, guys. Super glossy, super metallic. You can see the reflection. Looks really freaking good. Heck yeah, look at that, guys. So much better. I don't know if you guys can recall from the last video, but they were like half white already. The clear coat was already like burnt. Looks so good, man. Shout out to Revival's Auto Spa. They got me taken care of. Y'all can see the wing as well got painted. We got a GT500 wing, Shelby wing right here, but we got to install the other mirror cap first. Got it over here. Look at that, guys. Look at the way the sun hits it. You can see the metallic flake, bringing the car back to life, guys. Badass. Now we ran into one problem, guys. This thing has been on here for about 4 years, I believe. Y'all can see the clear coat is peeling off as well. This is matte black, but guys, when I was checking out the bolts, I mean, you can see the trunk was destroyed. We did this manually at home and it's a terrible job, but nonetheless, some of these bolts are stripped, so I did went ahead and picked up one of those like bolt extractors. So that's gonna be a pain. Hopefully we can get that removed and we can get the new wing on here. All right, guys, y'all can see the freaking bolts, if this can focus, are horrible. They're rusty, they're old. That one doesn't even have a bolt. But look at these, man. I might just have to get the trunk repainted. Well, I do want to get it repainted, or I think I'm better off just buying a new one, but this is the one that's stripped. You can see it right there. There's no way of taking it out. All right, guys, so the way this works, I did get this kit right here. It's a strip bolt remover, extractor, whatever you want to call it. So you do go ahead and drill out in reverse this one right here, and then once you've, I guess, given it like some kind of form, you switch out the bit to the other side and then it should come out. So here we go. Just looks like it made a big circle, man. All right, so I'm gonna switch it to this one now. And you do keep it in reverse, so let's see. There's no luck. I have to just go ahead and try out getting a bigger bit. This is the set, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one, see if this one works a little bit bigger. No luck, man. All it did was just make a huge circle. Y'all can see that. Look at that. I mean, you can see where the threads are, but it's not coming out, man. Damn it. I was afraid this was gonna happen. All right, guys, just when I was giving up already, I ended up breaking the bolt. I just kept going over and over with them. I was like tossing between different bits, and well, it got to the point where it just broke off. So I guess that was the only way. It worked somehow, but we got it to work. The wing is completely off. Looks like we're going weight reduction there. And I was gonna have this wing, the California Special wing, for sale, but in the process, guys, a lot of these bolts were stripped and they actually just broke off. So it's kind of impossible for you guys to use it, especially since you do require 8 holes. I mean, unless somebody wants to rock it with either no bolts on this side or just pure 3M. But you can still bolt these down, and those down. Pretty much about 6 or 5 out of all these bolts were stripped, so it was super tough trying to get it off, but super thankful. Thank God we were able to take it off. Now you can see we're rocking no wing on this one right here, but we are gonna start putting the Shelby one on. I already cleaned the surface, so it should be pretty simple after this. finally, after just about 4 years that I've been wanting this wing, finally got on there. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the GTCS wing on there or the Shelby wing? I feel like this one gives the car just a lower look to it, something different. I haven't told anybody about it, so something exciting. Everybody else gonna freak out when I get on there. The only con to this is the leftover holes that I have now. So I'm either gonna have to buy like a little plug to put in here, or gonna have to take it to a shop to get it welded and then repainted. But oh man, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I've always liked it, my favorite wing, but I think it's gonna take time for me to grow into it. Just I need to see it driving, see how it looks, see it in pictures, but not bad, man. Super stoked. I'm happy I finally got it. Let's just see now the reactions to it. Look at my wing. Take a look at my wing.
It looks lower.
Yeah?
It looks lower.
Get close to it. You don't even get close to it. You need to admire it like up close.
Forgot the hunger took over me.
What do you think?
What the?
Oh yeah, well, I need to fix those holes. Don't worry about
How?
that. But like,
Getting a
disregard
new
the holes.
car?
Disregard the holes. Disregard the holes. But like the wing, what do you think about the wing? How does it look?
I like it.
Better than the GTCS?
I mean, I like this wing, but I like yours.
But which one? Like you have to, like now that you see it on there, pick. Like you have to pick.
This one's nice.
Gabriel, what do you say?
Say yes. Yes.
What do you say? Yes or no?
Yeah.
The cool thing about this spoiler, guys, is that it comes with like a gurney flap. It's like a rubber, kind of like, it's just regular rubber, like the ones you find inside the fridge. But it is pretty cool nonetheless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the 3M from here. I already prepped the surface, cleaned it up, used some alcohol. And now, let's just apply it. It's pretty cool, Max. I don't see the ones from American Muscle giving you this gurney flap. I think it's just like plain, just like that, and then people usually get it painted or wrapped black. But you can see 3M under here. Just align it. Just like that. Good to go. I wanted to add it just because of the matte black accents I do have around the car. So you can see it's right there. It's just rubber, matte black rubber. Looks pretty good, man. I think it gives justice to the rest of the car. What do you guys think? GTCS wing or the Shelby wing? The more I look at it, I think I'm liking the Shelby wing more. I've always wanted to get this one, guys. I just never put my hands on it. Ever since I got the car, like about 6 years ago, this was the main spoiler I was going for. My wife loves this wing, but remember, I mean, I'm like the eBay king. I always go off of budget stuff. So when I was looking on eBay for a wing, I could only find the GTCS wing, and American Muscle had the Shelby wing, but it was for $300 painted and like $200 unpainted or something like that. So I ended up buying it off of eBay. And finally, guys, after so many years, I found it on eBay, the Shelby wing, and I was able to pick it up, and I took it to Revival's Auto Spa. They got it painted for me, and the paint match is pretty spot on, guys. You can see that it looks pretty good. It is glossy. You can tell the difference between the rest of the car right there. Looks pretty good, pretty much identical. So I'm gonna rock it, see what's up. I'm gonna try to find some plugs, or I don't know, put some tape on here just for now until I'm able to take it to a shop. That way you can get it welded, or at least put some Bondo and paint over it. Because we are in fall, and you can see it's kind of cloudy. We had rain yesterday, as you can see right there, but looks really good. Now, guys, now that that's done, the mirror covers are done, I'm gonna go ahead and install these for my sister. They're the side scoops she ordered. We got those painted as well, but they're inside the house. I'm gonna go ahead and get them, clean up the area, and install this for her. So unfortunately, we were not able to install the side scoops. I was having issues with the 3M, and for some reason American Muscle's always really good with their 3M, but I guess because this is from Epi Concepts, it might be a bit different. But this 3M, it just wasn't sticking on. It was really, what's up, Mia? It was really like kind of loose on the side scoop, and then when I tried it on the car, which is over there, looking good, it just wasn't sticking on as well. It was really flimsy, so I decided to take it off. I'm gonna use my own 3M, but I'm gonna leave that for another video. But look at that, guys. The color is phenomenal as well. This was just like that polyurethane matte black. We did get it painted along with the spoiler and the mirror covers, but yeah, unfortunately we weren't able to get that on. But again, the wing is on, Shelby spoiler is on, guys. Let me know what you guys think. My brother came and took a look at it. The first thing he pointed out was the gurney flap. He really did enjoy this one right here. I just gotta find a way to cover up these holes. I know they sell like these little plugs that I might get for now until I'm able to take it to a shop and they can fix it for me. Maybe they might, I think, have to weld it, or they might just use Bondo and paint over it. But sorry guys if I do sound kind of monotone. I am sick. I've been sick pretty much the whole week. It's not COVID. I got tested negative, but yeah, my voice right now is kind of off. But let me know what you guys think, man. It's a different step from what I'm usually on with the GTCS. I feel like the Shelby, this GT500 spoiler, gives the car like a lower profile look to it. So I mean, it's coming along. Got it paint corrected, ceramic coated, got the new wing, got the mirror covers looking good. The only thing I need, guys, is that baby right here. We need that deck lid, which it may or may not already be here. We're just gonna be bringing the rear back to life, guys. I've never paid too much attention to the rear. Everything's been done to the sides, to the front, but the rear's gonna be coming along. Let me know if you guys prefer the GTCS wing or the Shelby wing. I was in a debate for the longest time, and I just said, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna get the wing. Like I said, I was gonna give this one away or just sell it like for dirt cheap, but those bolts are stuck on there, so that's just gonna be out to the trash or just have it there just for collection. I don't know, but yeah, man, I really do like how it looks. It looks really good. It is cloudy, so I hope it does not rain. It's supposed to rain this week, so for now I'm gonna put some tape on here just so we won't get water inside the trunk. And I do need to get this roof fixed, mirror covers on point. Let's check out the stands. Look at that, guys. Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it wasn't nothing crazy, but I was trying to install the spoiler because I just haven't had time to do it, and finally was able to have time to do it. Tried doing the side screws, that didn't work out. So it's just been a crazy week. But if you guys did enjoy the video, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, guys, drop a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.